Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some designer approved DIY projects that can make your home look very luxurious and high-end, but are actually very budget friendly. I'm all about finding ways to make a space look custom and expensive without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for some ideas on ways to improve the look of your home, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's jump right into one of my favorite ways to get a budget-friendly designer custom look, and that's using IKEA cabinets to help you build built-ins. I've done this behind me here by using the IKEA brims cabinets, putting 5 of them together so that they span wall to wall. I've finished them with baseboards and small trim to create some extra detail, added my own hardware, painted them, and now they look like custom built-ins. So IKEA cabinets can get you very far in your built-in designer dreams because having someone come in and fully build out custom cabinets can be very expensive. So if you use the IKEA pack system for your custom built-in closet system, that will save you a lot of money. You just have to put all the pieces together and then finish it off with trim. This is what's really gonna give you that finished high-end custom look. Once you paint all the pieces, they will look like expensive custom built-ins. So it is such an easy hack to get you to that designer custom built-in level on a major budget. Now, when it comes to lighting, I truly think that wall sconces can make your space look thoughtfully designed, a little bit more elevated and customized, which just makes your space look high-end. So you can definitely achieve this look if you're a renter, homeowner, or if you just don't want to hire anyone to cut holes in your walls and rework the wiring. You can get this look with rechargeable wall sconces. I've used these time and time again, and they add this three-dimensional look to your home. They really highlight design details, brighten up your space, and they just look like jewelry around your home. So they are a must-have for sure, and they are super DIY friendly to install. It's pretty much like installing wall art. So you screw the plate into your wall, there's no hard wiring required, add the light fixture on, put in your rechargeable light bulb, and you've got yourself some wall sconces ready to go. It is incredible. These can all be controlled off of a remote. You can change the lighting temperature of the bulbs, and you can just recharge these over time. When you have rechargeable wall sconces, you aren't always putting them on, but I think that wall sconces, even if they're not turned on, look very designer and luxurious around a home. Now, a very easy DIY project that you can do this weekend that's affordable and quick is painting your wall outlet cover plates. I specifically buy paintable wall outlet cover plates so that I can seamlessly work my outlets into the walls of my home. So if you have wallpapered walls or dramatic wall colors around your home, you can also work in your wall outlets to blend into that space as well, so that your walls aren't chopped up with white squares all over your walls. This is how you kind of camouflage those necessities around your home, and it's that little detail that just elevates your home drastically. Now, here's a DIY project that I just completed that saved me thousands of dollars doing it DIY style, and that is installing my own staircase runner. Staircase runners are very pricey. They can be thousands of dollars. So if you want to save money and do it for just a few $100s, you can get that designer look by purchasing smaller size runners, about 2.5 feet wide by 8 feet long, attaching them together to create the full stair length. I used 3 affordable runners on my staircase to create this look, and you'd never know the difference. It looks seamless. It all just comes down to how you attach them and where you attach them. So I attached all of the seams under crevices, in corners of the staircase, so that you'd never know the difference. So I was able to achieve this look for just under $400, but I was quoted about $2,000 to $4,000 if I got a custom runner made for this length of staircase. So of course I did it DIY style. Obviously everyone's stairs are different just depending on the length and width of your stairs, but the easy calculation to decide on how much runner rug you need to order, add together your tread depth plus your riser height, and multiply it by how many stairs you have. That number is going to give you the overall length that you need, so you can decide on how many rugs you need to order from there, depending on what rugs you're choosing. But there's a lot more selection online for shorter runner rugs. It's a fun DIY project that I definitely think you guys can do as well, and it will absolutely give you a designer look on a budget. One simple DIY painting trick that you can do in any space just to elevate the look of it is painting your trim and the walls the same color, but in 2 different sheens. This will instantly elevate the look of any room, and it can be done in an hour, in a weekend. It's a super simple change. It's also something that's very reversible because it's just paint, but it will definitely give you this designer look on a major budget. You don't need much paint for this. This is super budget friendly, and I truly think anyone can paint. So if you can stay within the lines, you can definitely do this DIY project. This is gonna expand the look of your walls, really elevate the height of your ceilings, and just overall make your space look a lot larger. So if you're looking to elevate any space around your home that has a contrasting wall and trim color, really integrate that wall color into your trim and expand the look of your room. It's such a simple change, and I think it goes such a long way. Now, one thing I noticed when ordering doors and windows is doors and windows with privacy glass or any kind of frosted glass costs a lot more money. So if you want to get this look on a budget, you can definitely do so by using a frosted privacy film. This goes right over top of your windows, and it's going to give you that frosted glass look. I like the idea of using privacy film, and I've done it multiple times because it's removable. You can kind of change your mind if you want to and get your window and door back to the way it was, clear and see-through if needed. So I like the flexibility there, but these options will definitely give you that look and that functionality that you might need on a major budget. There are so many different privacy glass window film options, and they just attach with water. It will take you no longer than 20 minutes to do this, so it's a great DIY project that makes a huge impact. One thing I like to do to improve the look of any builder grade bathroom is just frame out the builder grade wall mirror. Usually there's a sheet of mirror flat up against the wall with no frame, and that instantly makes your bathroom look a little bit more unfinished. If you want to elevate the look of it, you can just simply frame that mirror out, leave it where it is, and it will instantly elevate the look of your bathroom. You can tie it together by painting it the same wall color, you can have it be an accent color, but this is such a simple DIY. I love the way this just finishes off a simple mirror, and it can be installed without any screws or nails. You can actually attach it all with liquid nails. They have a certain type that is for mirrors and glass, so it attaches and holds, and there will be no budge at all. So if taking down that builder grade mirror intimidates you and you're scared about wall damage and having to patch that, I totally understand, because same. I would just frame around it and you'll get that same finished look. Now, if you want to give your bedroom a whole new look, you can definitely do that on a budget by reupholstering your bed frame. Your bed frame doesn't even need to already be an upholstered head frame. You can do this on a wood headboard. You just kind of fill it all in with foam and batting, wrap it with your new fabric, and staple it all behind the headboard, and you've got yourself a fresh new look. This is a very simple, quick, easy DIY project, but it really gives you this elevated look that looks very luxurious. So you can keep up with designer trends with colors and pattern and material choices, and really get a fresh new look whenever you want just by reupholstering. Now, a DIY project that really makes a huge dramatic impact is peel and stick tile. I've used peel and stick tile quite a few times now, and it really does give you this elevated, expensive designer look, and it really helps you achieve the entire design style you're going after without doing any demo. So I did this in our sunroom by covering old tile that we're eventually gonna rip up over time, but to get the look in the meantime, I covered it with peel and stick tile. This is thick adhesive tile that gives us that diamond checkerboard look, and it feels and looks so realistic. Everyone that comes over and I tell them that it's peel and stick is always shocked. Now, I don't think peel and stick tile is the forever solution, but if you're trying to save money in the meantime while still achieving a look that you really want for your space, you can definitely use peel and stick tile, and just know that you're gonna rip it up with your existing tiles when you change that out. So I just love that it gives you that wiggle room between renovations so that you can save towards exactly what you want, but also be very happy with your space. Now, something that's always gonna make your home look a little bit more luxurious and designer is dimension. And dimension can be added very easily with wall trim, any kind of wall trim around your home. If you add that dimension to your walls, you're adding this extra layer that adds a ton of style to your home and also makes it look and feel a lot more custom. So I've done this in so many spaces now. Whether your space is large or small or dark or bright, you can make a huge difference in any space just with wall trim. So it is something I will continue to add to our home, and it actually kind of allows you to do less in your space. You don't have to hang as much art, you don't have to spend as much on furniture because the detail is already in the walls. It's definitely DIY friendly, and it will absolutely give you that high-end look on a budget. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on DIY projects that will help improve the look of your home. Let me know down below in the comments if you've done any of these DIYs, if you plan to. Let me know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!